Hello guys, today we have a Toyota Granvia 1998 with 118,000 kilometers on it, which is approximately 73,000 miles. It have a same engine, same transmission, same transfer case with Toyota 4Runner, and also a real-time all-wheel drive system. We are actually install a lift kit on it. It drives pretty smooth. Quiet. It's quiet, comfortable. Suspension work well, really well. It was not a full throttle, but I can feel the power under the pedal. It have power seats, only on the driver's side, but still comfortable. You can move whole seat back and forward. You can move only the back of your seat, also back and forward. So I can show you the sonar sensors, how it works. Behind my car it's a wall. Now you can hear it. So it has work radio. It has AC system. It has heater system, sonar system. The rear door on the passenger side, actually you can move it from driver's seat because it's automatic. You can open it, just press and hold the button, and you can close it same way. Also back here you have a powered sunroof. You can open it, just press the button and close it. How you can see, you have plenty of room here. 2 seats right there and big giant seat right here. These things, it's powered by a few buttons on a driver seat. You can close it and open it. This door works only manually.